Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Lexus GX460 maintenance light. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely and the engine is off. This simple procedure can be done right in your driveway. You'll need to locate the ODO/trip button, usually found near your steering wheel. This entire process is quick, typically taking less than 5 minutes. Now let's get started. Turn your ignition to the on position but do not start the engine. Next, press the ODO/trip button repeatedly until your odometer display shows trip A. This is a crucial step for the reset to work correctly. Once trip A is visible, turn your ignition completely off. This prepares the system for the next sequence. With the ignition off, press and hold the ODO/trip button. Keep it pressed down. Now, without touching the brake pedal, push your engine start button twice to turn the ignition to the on position. Continue holding the ODO/trip button. You should see a message like resetting maintenance data appear, followed by complete. Once you see complete, you can release the button. Finally, start your Lexus GX460 to verify that the maintenance required light is now off. If the light remains on, simply repeat these steps, ensuring you follow each instruction precisely. Sometimes it takes a second attempt. And hey, if you're looking for great deals on essentials, check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other fantastic offers. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.